Stop hiring cheap VAs for your lead gen. Most gurus tell you it's the only way to scale. They're wrong. A human VA is slow. They make typos, they miss follow-ups, and they sleep. You aren't buying freedom. You're buying a management headache. I spent the last year obsessing over AI automation to solve this. I replaced an entire prospecting team with a single, automated engine. The result? Higher quality leads, zero payroll, and 10x the speed. Today, I'm giving you the blueprint. I'll show you how to integrate Clay for deep research, OpenAI for hyper-personalized outreach, and make .com to glue it all together. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a zero-employee lead gen engine that works 24/7 while you sleep. You've heard the guru advice. Just hire a cheap VA for $5 an hour to handle your prospecting. Sounds like a steal, right? Wrong. Here is the reality you aren't told. You aren't just paying $5, you're paying in management overhead. You spend your Sunday nights reviewing spreadsheets. You find blatant typos in the personalized emails. You realize they've been scraping the wrong industry for 3 weeks because of one misunderstood instruction. That isn't scaling, that's babysitting. Every manual step in your lead gen is a point of failure. Humans get tired, they get bored, they miss the nuance of your value proposition. And while you're managing a human, your competitors are deploying systems. They aren't hoping their VA has a good day. They've built a machine that identifies the lead, researches the trigger event, and writes a hyper-personalized hook in milliseconds. Your VA isn't an asset. They are a bottleneck. A slow, unpredictable bottleneck that is actively killing your growth. It's time to stop hiring for labor and start building for leverage. Stop thinking about hiring. Start thinking about architecting. You don't need a person to manage your pipeline. You need a zero-employee lead gen engine. This is a closed-loop system where data flows, thinks, and executes without a single human click. To build this, we're integrating 3 powerhouses: Clay, OpenAI, and Make.com. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1, the data brain. We start with Clay. Forget manual scraping or buying stale lists from a database. Clay is a data orchestration layer. It doesn't just find an email, it finds the truth. We use Clay to pull a list of target companies. Then we trigger an enrichment. It scrapes their latest LinkedIn posts, their About page, and even their recent job openings. Now, instead of a name and an email, you have a full dossier on your prospect. This is where the VA usually fails. They skim. AI analyzes. Step 2, the intelligence. Now we feed that dossier into OpenAI or Claude. We aren't using generic prompts like write a cold email. That's how you get marked as spam. Instead, we build a contextual hook. We tell the AI, based on this lead's recent post about X and their company's growth in Y, write a one-sentence observation that proves we've done our homework. The result? A message that feels like it took an hour to write, but took the AI 3 seconds. Step 3, the glue. This is where Make.com comes in. Make is the nervous system. It monitors your Clay table. The moment a lead is enriched and the AI hook is generated, Make triggers the action. It pushes that lead directly into your CRM and schedules the email in your sending tool. No copy-pasting, no forgetting to follow up, no payroll taxes. You've just replaced a 40-hour work week with a workflow that runs in the background 24/7. This isn't just working smarter, it's removing the human bottleneck from your growth. Now, to build this yourself, you need the right stack. I use Make.com for the orchestration and Clay for the data enrichment. If you want to skip the learning curve and get the exact setup I use, check the links in the description. Using those links is the best way to support the channel. Look at these results. We went from 50 manual leads a day with a VA to 500 hyper-personalized leads every single hour. Zero typos, zero missed follow-ups, total consistency. You don't need a bigger team, you need a better system. Stop trading your time for people management. Go to the description, grab the tools, and start building your zero-employee engine today.